just back to do a quick Etsy shop share with y'all. I have 10 of these available in my Etsy shop. I only have one completely ironed and completely put together, but the rest are in the works. I'll be done with all of those by the time that y'all see this video anyway. So let me show y'all what I put there and what y'all will get. I only have 10 available. After that, they'll be gone. If you absolutely want one, of course, and they are all gone, you know, message me and I'll see what I can do. These are extremely time consuming, but if I have time, I'll absolutely make more if y'all want them. Okay, so what you're going to get is you're going to get one file folder, and it is lace stencil coffee dyed. And I did bring this other one up here. I have not ironed it yet. I'm not done putting this one together, but I just wanted to show y'all how there's many different designs of papers and file folders, so I cannot promise you which file folder you'll get, but they'll have a stenciled coffee dot design on them. But they're all different, every single one. So, and in this file folder, you will get a coffee dyed glassine envelope. We all love those. You'll get one embossed. I don't know if y'all can see that on cameras. I cannot see my camera very well due to the light coming in, but it is rose. It has 2 roses embossed on this coffee dyed envelope. We have another coffee dyed envelope. No embossing on this one, so one embossed, one not. Excuse me. Now these papers come from my Blooming Backgrounds digital kit online. So I printed these out, and you will get one entire set that has been coffee dyed. Of course, if you don't want them, and look, even the backs, gorgeous. If you don't want them coffee dyed, but you like this kit, the kit is available in my Etsy shop. I think that is just so pretty. I love the whole kit, but there's just, I'm a flower plant collector and gardener and all of that, so I just absolutely love this digital kit. All right, so I've got some of my, I used to sell these in my shop, and they probably my all-time bestseller of lace. These were lace coffee dye papers, physical kit that I would mail to people. But they haven't been in my shop in a long time, so I brought those back, and I'm adding these in. You'll get 2 of each of these. And these, this is also, these designs here are what you're going to find on also the front of all of the folders, the file folders. And I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but I did add a slight shimmery sheen to them. I've got a very slight shimmer pale pink, a slight shimmer silvery, like whitish, and a slight shimmery gold. I cannot promise you which one you'll get, or if you'll get a mix and match. I don't, you know, I didn't look at that. I just wanted to add a tiny little bit of shimmer to the papers. It's like that one has a pale pink, this one has a little bit of gold flecks, and this one has the gold flecks, and so on and so forth. Everything has been ironed, everything that can be ironed. Of course, I don't iron the glassine, but look at that, even the back's just gorgeous. I don't iron the glassine. And y'all, if I'm too loud on camera, I apologize. I don't know if I am or not, but I'm super close to my phone because my cat is on my chair, and I don't feel like fighting with him. Just let him have it. There are lots of these designs. And then I've got 2 coffee dyed sheets of tracing paper. So that is what you'll get with this designer package of stencil coffee dyed papers. Like I said, by the time this video comes out, these will be in my shop. And I thank y'all for watching and supporting me and sending me all the love that y'all been sending me. And I hope we'll talk again soon. Bye.